I always tell my clients, if an atomic bomb comes right here and explodes, my body will disappear instantly. However, my consciousness will remain exactly in the same place. I have two clients that I remember, I have several, but I remember, and they told me, I didn't even say that, I had an out-of-body experience. The first one, I had a video testimonial, and she was laying on bed when she told me her experience, and she said,
it felt like I jumped out of my body because in my mind I turned and looked and saw an image of someone in a purple shirt and black pants laying on a table, and it startled me because it was like, oh, that's me. And so then I felt like I jumped back into myself, and as you touched my shoulder, it was almost like a light came on, and it was like, oh, I'm done.
A few days ago, a young woman who had never had a Reiki session before told me after the session, I was wishing that you don't ask me to leave the massage table to incorporate and sit, because I was feeling such a peace and such a relaxation that I didn't want to move. She said that during the session she felt an out-of-body experience. And I want to explain what does it mean, an out-of-body experience. First of all, it's nothing mystic that is reserved by saints and high spiritual advanced people. We are all the same, in the same soup in this universe. Out-of-body experience means that our real self, our soul, which is energy, gets momentarily out of our physical body. Since our real self is energy, it's not in our body. So we see ourselves out of our bodies. It happened to me a few times. The first time that it happened to me, I was meditating, and one of the teachings of Paramahansa Yogananda is to do an exercise to have that experience. I had my meditation place on the corner of my room, and all of a sudden I was on the other corner up in the ceiling looking at me, at myself. I got scared and I came back. But it was a very real experience. The other time I was receiving an energy healing session, a distance session from a great healer, and my body went down, down, down on the ground like 10 feet. I could see my physical body up there. I wasn't afraid because it was a beautiful, peaceful sensation. This experience, the out-of-body experience, is felt in deep meditation. Now, deep meditation is when you have your body completely still. Nothing moves. And when you move the energy up and down the spine through the chakras until the energies withdraw from your body and you feel that you are outside of your body. This experience is felt on certain energy healing sessions, Reiki sessions. As many of my clients had the experience, and they have told me, this is not just reserved to spiritual advanced people, to yogis in India. We can have it, however, this is not the goal. I am just telling you so you know what is an out-of-body experience. We can have an out-of-body experience when we have an accident. All of a sudden, boom, our soul, our energy is out of our body because we have an accident, and maybe our body is clinically dead for a while. And the reason I am doing this is, don't think that an out-of-body experience is a sign that you are an amazing person and a spiritual advanced being. No, it's just a confirmation that God is giving you to let you know that you are not the body. We are not the body. We are this awareness that we have now. I always tell my clients, if an atomic bomb comes right here and explodes, my body will disappear instantly. However, my consciousness will remain exactly in the same place. And I will realize that I don't have this physical body anymore. That's what an out-of-body experience is. If you had one, let me know. And if you had one in a good situation, not when you were having a surgery and you die and then you came back. Well, that's also a great experience because many people have changed their lives. They have written books But I am talking about the one that happens naturally in deep meditation or in a Reiki energy healing session in general. I hope you find useful, and if you have any questions about this, I would love to answer as much as I know, as much as I can.